Hello! Do you know the subtraction number bonds for the number 10? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So, this one's an easy one because it's a whole number and also it's in tens, so actually subtracting it to it is very easy. But all you're looking for is two numbers which subtracted together equal 10 in this case. So we could have one like 15 take away 5. That's a great number bond because 1 equals 10, but also we're not subtracting a lot. Okay, let's try something a bit bigger. What about 19 take away 9? What does that equal? Does that equal 10? Yes, it does! Well done! So remember, you're just looking for two numbers which subtracted together equal 10. So at home, write some examples on a piece of paper or even do it on the phone. But the point is, you're looking for two numbers which subtracted together equal 10. So play the next game and look out for those combinations. So use the information, play the next game, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!